Yeah. It's your boy Slay Benzo, man. And welcome to my first episode of Cooking with Benzo. Today we're going to be making up that old Jamaican favorite, pepper shrimp. So, come through, bro. Come through me. First thing we're going to do right now, man, we making this pepper shrimp. First of all, we got to cut up all of these onions. These onions, this green onions right here. This is regular spring onions, you know what I'm saying? We're going to cut these up because we want to make sure that pepper shrimp OD season, feel me? Like, it's not no game. You out here, you trying to cook up, feel me? Like, that's that Benzo's way. That's that Benzo drip, feel me? Like, stop playing out here. Yo, put the camera to me, bro. Yo, let them know, son. Like, yo, first of all, Make It Rain out right now. Link in my bio. Stop playing around. Super Saiyan out right now. October's coming. You know, it's Benzo's way. Benzo's way, we ain't playing around. Onions cut up, you know what I'm saying? Show them onions, bro. Show how nice I diced them onions up, you know what I'm saying? Ain't playing right here. So now we're gonna cut up the other onions, you know what I'm saying? The green onions. Look at this. Swag. Drip. I got the drip. I got the drip. Chill. You don't cut these bad boys up, man. We stop playing around with y'all, man. You know I love this food shit, man. Pepper shrimp is the best. Got the green onions chopped up. You know what I'm saying? You got to cut up some thyme, feel me? Like, thyme just make everything taste better. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just old Caribbean thing. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's that drip shit. Like, my mom be cooking with that shit. That's that drip, bro. That shit be making niggas heartwarm, feel me? Like, y'all niggas got to like, watch me cut up these thymes. Hey, the thyme cut up now. We about to cut up these hot ass Scotch bonnet peppers. Like, be careful with these, man. I gotta wear gloves because last time I made this shit, man, I rubbed my face. My whole face was burning. That shit felt like some icy hot on my shit. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? So we gonna cut these up real quick. You know what I'm saying? So be mindful. Like, you want this hot pepper sauce, this pepper shrimp to be hot, yo. I know you gotta cut these up. You know what I'm saying? You gonna cut these shits up, boy. Like, careful with your eyes too, cause you know if this shit running your eyes, man. Yeah, it's messed up, bro. Look at this. Cutting up these Scotch bonnet peppers, man. These shits is real. I'm gonna cut these shits out, boy. We got these Scotch bonnet peppers already chopped up now. It's definitely time. Well, I'm about to do something a little different. But like, I want my pepper shrimp to be super hot, so I'm about to do some jerk seasoning. Hot and spicy, I know. At least I'm fucking with y'all. I ain't Jamaican though. My parents is Bajan. Let me show y'all. But put the jerk seasoning, a little bit of jerk seasoning. We're gonna marinate this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? He ain't playing around. I want this thing to be extra spicy today. Like, I ain't playing no games. I'm not even. Shit, you rub all that in. Come get close to this video, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, so how we rub that in. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're gonna rub all that seasoning in there. You gonna rub that in right here. You gonna do our thing, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that shit extra spicy, extra hot, like, you know what I'm saying? Now we got the jerk seasoning all up in the pepper shrimp. Now we're gonna add these little things in right here: the Scotch bonnet, the thyme, the green onions, and the regular onions. You just gonna throw them bad boys in there.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Gonna throw these bad boys in there, mix it up a little bit. Cause then we're gonna put more little shit in it. We're gonna add some crushed red peppers. This is not a traditional Jamaican way how to make pepper shrimp. Like, this is just my way. Like, this is just that drip, this is that Benzo drip, you heard? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna add some of that Cajun style to this shit. Like, a little American seasoning to this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Make it a little spicy. Shit, definitely gonna add some salt, because we're gonna need some salt. Salt. Alright? We're gonna use some of this. This is all-purpose seasoning. Go on anything right now, you know what I'm saying?
This gonna be mad salty.
Everything. Some Miss Dash. Swag. We're gonna use some onion powder.
You said everything.
Woo! And then last thing, but not least, all these things in here, we're gonna just rub it up together, marinate it together, make it feel nice. Like, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna rub this baby. We're gonna rock this shrimp. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna rock the baby, rock. You know, we're gonna rock and come in here. Nah. We really gonna fuck this pepper shrimp up though, you heard? Like, now that we got everything seasoned up, we're gonna start cooking these bad boys, you know. Get your pot, fill it up with some oil or whatever. Just a little bit, not too much. Just cook. I use vegetable oil, you know what I'm saying? Use some of that. And it start laying down
healthy.
Laying down your shrimp, like,
oh.
You know what I'm saying? Look at them bubbles, look at them bubbles. Look. Look at all that business in it, man. You don't start cooking this up, man. You gonna let this bad boy sit for a little while. You gonna make the shrimp cook for about a good 10 minutes or whatever. You know, bring it a little closer, y'all. Show them. You gotta make. So I started to get pink a little bit. Give them shit, probably like 5 more minutes or so, 6 more minutes. So I'm gonna add a little food coloring to it. Not too much, a little red food coloring just to make it a little redder. Not too much. You know what I'm saying? It's a little drip. Give it that little coloring and shit. Not too, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit.
Little bloods.
You know what I'm saying? Stir this shit up, the little bad boy up a little bit. Ain't playing no games, man. I'm gonna cover this joint. You know what I'm saying? Just up. Yeah, see, I ain't use too much food coloring because it's already naturally a little red. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do. Actually, let me get a little bit of water. Actually, might get a little water in this joint. You know what I'm saying? It's a little dry in there. A little water, not too much. So yeah, we're gonna mix it up one more time. Now we're gonna cover this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Right now, see, zoom into the shrimp shit. Show them how the shrimp looking right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is how you want the shrimp to be, like this kind of color. But we gonna let it sit for a little bit because it's not fully cooked. Because we still got some great ones in here. You know what I'm saying? You know, we chefing up like my son Lil B, chefing up, cooking up. You know what I'm saying? Cooking up in the pot, like you know what I'm saying? Something light for me. All right, about another 5 minutes or so. The pepper shrimp are basically done. Sheldon, zoom in to show them how this look, man. That's how you make some real Badman Benzo pepper shrimp. You know, this not no Jamaican pepper shrimp. This is a Badman Benzo pepper shrimp. You know what I'm saying? This shit looking wicked. So basically, I think it's good. I'm about to turn off the fire. I'm about to serve this bad boy, yo. You know what I mean? You know, so this pepper shrimp is basically done. This is how it look right here, man. This is, you know, Jamaican pepper shrimp, something light. You see what I'm saying? It looks good, right? Look at that bad boy. This shit is good. Let's try this out right here. Taste try. You know what I'm saying? Take that head off. Well, this shit spicy. This shit valid, bro. I'm going super hard, bitches call me Super Saiyan. I'm really with the shits, no a nigga not playing. Playing all these bitches sodas like it's PlayStation. Super Saiyan. I'm really with them Zoes, but a nigga not Haitian. Y'all niggas broke, y'all niggas be hating. Y'all bitches on my dick. Make it rain, pop that pussy, girl, you sliding on that hoe. You a hoe, got your friends saying throw that ass some more. Back it up, stack it up, you fucking right up on that flow. Vamanos, adios, you headed right up at that door. Make it rain, pop that pussy, girl.